Um, um, Your turn. Your turn. Your turn. No, no. Your turn. You try. This is what binkies are for. You put it in your mouth, and then you suck on it. Yes, good girl. Good girl. Yeah, see? Hey, you don't like it? Why not? It's okay. You obviously want something to chew on. But you're not hungry. I'm sure of it. I'm positive you're not hungry. Yeah. But chewing on something is good. So here, this one. She does not like binkies. Not anymore. No, no, no. I don't like binkies anymore. Doesn't like bottles anymore either. Anything with a rubber nipple. She said, nope, nope, nope. Not mine anymore. I'm a big girl. I'm a big girl. 5 months old.